Hello traders. So again, welcome back to a new video. So today I already took one trade, and it was a small late entry, so that's the reason why I placed for one more trade. And here we can see that it's a green doji. So here again we can go with sellers. Don't worry, I will clearly explain the reasons of all of my trades. Okay, so here this one will definitely reject and go down because just above there is a round number, and I know that the present candle will be a red candle, so that's why the reason is it's simple. The sellers are moving down and also the buyers are making only retracement move. Okay, and don't worry, I will clearly explain you and the marking. And here the market is going up, and we have to look the next opportunity. So here we can see that the buyers are also rejecting, but I expect this one will be a red candle only, and here we can see that it's a clear win. So here again it's better to go with sellers because the sellers made a new low here. Okay, so maybe sometimes we can expect one error candle also. Anyway, we can wait for the result, and you have to watch the video completely because after the trading session I will explain you the reasons. Okay, I will explain you that very well, and that should be, if you miss that, then you may chance to lose some knowledge. Yeah, we can say like that. You may chance to miss some valuable knowledge. So watch the video completely, and we can fast forward the video. Okay, here we can see that this was also a clear win. Okay, and here we can go with buyers. It's a confirmed trade because I can see a reversal candle at a round number. It's a round number level, and also the sellers become very weak. And don't worry, there are some more reasons for the last trade. I will clearly explain you that in the education part. Today I will explain you only 5 trades because otherwise the length of the video will be too much. Okay, here we can see that this one also a clear win. So here it's better to go with sellers because there is a level in the left side, so I expect the market may chance to respect that level. And okay, now I think the buyers are more interested because it's not looking like they are going to respect that level. So if it don't respect and the bullish candle is a strong candle, then after that I placed here 2 more trades. It's because sometimes we can expect weak green color as a continuation, so that's the reason why I placed here 2 more trades. I think it's all will be chance for loss because now the market is not rejecting, it not showing any kind of rejection now. So the trade is at risk now. Don't worry, if it's a loss, then it's again we can go with buyers here. Okay, so I'm going to place call option again because the present candle will be 1000%. That will be a green candle because in front of seeing a red candle I am seeing, so here there is no opportunity. Here also it's better to avoid. Here if it's come down, then we can go with buyers. Okay, I'm going to place a call option, and I place it here a call option because it's a fake out, it's a fake breakout. And don't worry, I will mark and explain you very well in the educational part, so don't miss that. Now I am like, it's very difficult when I am trading. If I explain, then if I give more priority for the explanation, then I cannot analyze the market properly. So that's why I am okay here I think there is no bias on this. So here it's only a error candle. So again we can go with bias because I'm very sure this. Because sometimes for this particular trading method we can expect one error. That is common. And here also you can see it's a winning trade. So that's the power of the candlestick psychology. So if the market give me a good entry point, then only I will go with sellers. So here we can see that now strong buyers are trying to enter, right? So the previous candle is only error candle. So here we can see that it's a win, and here I think the sellers may chance to enter, but I want a good entry because actually this one is looking like a 50% area, but okay, it's better to go with seller from this level. Okay, here we can expect both buyers and sellers, but based on the downtrend, now I place it here a put option, and I think it's going up now. It's not looking like they are going to respect this level. Don't worry, if it lows, then definitely I will recover that in the next trade, because now I'm continuously trading, right? I don't wait and continuously trading. So here again it's better to go with buyers here. So here also we can go with buyers, and here we can go with sellers, and here also it's better to go with buyer with some margin of safety. So I'm going to place a call option here. Okay, here also we can go with buyers. I think on Euro USD we already took one trade, so yeah, it's fine. So now I took all in this buyers, right? So we can check the result. And here, oh shit, here it's a latent tree. So this trade is at risk because previously we can see that's a doji, but that will continue. The candle color will be red. Maybe there is a probability for forming doji like the previous one. Then I may chance to lose, but my analysis will be 100% correct here. Here we can see, oh shit, it's a loss now, but my analysis was correct. Okay, I don't know why my screen recorder was off for a few seconds. So here it's better to go with sellers again. Previously, my last trade, I mean this one was my legendary lows, one of legendary lows, but the market will definitely continue. So that's the reason why it's a continuation sign and it's not showing weakness. So at least for 1 minute the market will continue, I mean the sellers will continue its direction. So that's the reason why I placed again a put option, and you can see that the sellers are coming, right? They're coming, and yeah, finally that was also winning trade. So we can move to the educational part. Okay, we can discuss the first one. That's why I placed that here a put option. It's nothing, simple reason. So here we can see that from this area, it's a resistance, and from this level, the market start to fall, right? And it's reached here. Okay, it's reached here, and we can see that here there is a level. Here there is a level. The market is respecting this level, and here also a level. So here we can see that. Look at this bullish candle, it closed under that level, right? So again a seller's entry, okay, which means that this level is respecting because it's a bearish engulfing, and after that we can see bullish retracement, then sellers entered here. So when the market hit this particular, just wait, when the market hit this level, then also we can see some strong rejection, and it's reversed and finally closes a red candle. And again look at the next candle, this one also, it's retested this level, okay, it retested this level, but here it's one doji, okay, which means that one error here, okay, one error here after retest. Mostly this one will be a red candle. Okay, so in this kind of situation, it's better to place a put option with some margin of safety. Okay, 85% of the time this one will directly reverse and close as a red candle. Okay, so if you have fear or if you are not confident, just place a put option with some margin of safety, because the market is moving down now, the sellers are moving down, right? And also here the strong level, and previously we can see the market respected that level, so that's the reason why. And also there is a round number here, it's a round number here, it's already broke, so this one will act like a resistance. When the market hit this level, it will reject like this. So here also we can see that it's rejected. Okay, and the trend is down, and now the buyers become very weak. In a downtrend, we know that the buyers will make temporary reversals like this one, like this one, like this one, but here extra one error candle, that's it. Okay, still the sellers are still the buyers are very weak, it's only a doji candle. And also, where is the next possible reversal, or where is the next support area? It's here. Okay, it's here. Still there is a gap to this level, and now everything is supported to the seller, so that's the reason why I placed here a put option, and that was a winning trade. Okay, we can discuss the next trade. I again placed here a put option. It's nothing, it's simple. It's because here we already saw that the buyers become very weak here, right? And also sellers confirmation candle. Okay, now it made a new low here, it made a low here, and still there is a gap to the next support area, right? Still there is a gap, so market will definitely try to fill this gap, so the sellers have to enter to fill that gap. That's it, because everything is supportive to the sellers. In the previous trade, I mean on this trade, I explained you everything clearly, same reason. Okay, still there is a gap. The market, for example, assume that if this sellers candle closed like this, then in this candle we can't go with sellers, because it's already filled the gap, and it already reached the buyer's area. If the market made a red candle like this, okay, but now the market only reached here. Okay, it made a low and the candle closed here, still there is a gap, so the sellers have to enter to fill that gap. And also everything is supportive to the sellers. It's a confirmation. You can treat this one like a confirmation, because now the buyers become very weak. They already made their retracement move. Okay, and it proved that the buyers are very weak now. It's a doji, it's a downtrend. Okay, and also there is a level, the market is respecting that level, and also the sellers are making low again and again, so we can go with sellers in this candle. So that's the reason why I placed here a put option, and that was also a winning trade. And we can move to the next trade. So if you want to learn the candlestick psychology, the contact details from the description. It's a guaranteed success course, and also the coming days we are going to add some new study material, and that will help you to become successful in maximum 2 weeks. Okay, again once more, maximum 2 weeks, because the content are like very simple concept. Okay, more like you can't find this much simple concept for the binary trading anywhere. Okay, because now we are going to make a completely new material. Okay, so within few days that will finish, and if anyone want to register, they can contact me. It's a guaranteed success course in 2 weeks. Okay, so we can move to the next trade. That's why I placed here a call option, and that was a winning trade. So here we can see that from this level the market fall, again made a retracement move, again sellers broke this level, and again it's retested. I mean the buyers retested, and I'm talking about this level. Just wait once more, I will make it clear. So here, when the sellers broke this level, broke this bullish entry level, okay, So here we can see that the buyers entered from here to here. Again the sellers broke, and again bullish entry to retest this level, right? And after that, here we can see that again the sellers broke this level, this bullish level. So again the market will try to reach this level, right? And the next one is very important. That is very important. I mean, this pattern is very important. So now we can see that the sellers become very weak because it closed inside of this week. Okay, and there is a round number. Okay, there is a round number. And also, if you found these kind of doji, these kind of same exact doji at a round number like these, okay, once more, if you find the same doji on a round number after a seller's momentum or after seller's movement, and if the sellers looking like weak, okay, if the sellers are weak like this, then here the next one also will be a bullish candle, and that should go up. Okay, simple concept. We want sellers weakness like this, and also there is a round number, and we want a doji candle like this. Okay, a doji candle like this on this round number. Simple. Okay, this doji. So here this doji is the opportunity. So if you are seeing, or if you found a doji candle like this on a support, okay, we can consider this like a support. Okay, because it's a round number. So if you find this one on a round number like this, and also if you found seller's weakness, then here we can place a call option, and that will be a winning trade. Okay, so I expect this is also clear. It's also simple concept. Okay, we can discuss the next one. That's why I placed here a put option. Unfortunately, this was a loss. So here I placed here a put option because I thought that next one should go down. It's because I thought this one will respect this level. Okay, this level. And here the trend is moving down, right? The market is moving down, and also here we can see that sellers momentum and buyers entry, again sellers momentum and buyers retracement. So the market is moving like this. Okay, but here this one failed here, right? I lost here, but after that I identified that it's not going to respect this level. The next one also should go up, and in the next trade I easily recovered that. So now I'm going to tell you the actual reason of this trade, or actual reason of these lows. It didn't respect this level. Here I consider this as my level, and we can see that the second candle closed exactly at that level, and 90% of the time that should go down, because everything is supportive to the sellers. The market structure, okay, and also the sellers are in momentum. The trend is down, and also previously the market behaved based on these kind of momentum. Sorry, these kind of movement. Okay, not momentum, these kind of movement. I mean, these kind of movement, right? But here it failed. Okay, it don't work. Here it broke that level. Okay, broke this level, broke this resistance, previous resistance. So here, just wait, it is our resistance. Here we have to take this one as our resistance, and we can see that this green candle closed exactly that level, and the next one should go down. Okay, based on this movement, but in this time it didn't respect that particular movement. Okay, so that's the reason why I lost that. So if I lose, then that doesn't matter. Okay, because I know what to do next. So if you are confident about your strategy, you can easily recover that in the next one or two trades like this. So we can discuss the next trade, and I will show you that how I recovered that one. Okay, here we can see that I lost in this candle, and I told you that I placed it here a put option because of this level, right? And now the market didn't respect that level, and it's clearly break that level. Okay, they broke that level. And here where is the next possible reversal area? So here from this level, from this level, the market can reverse, right? This level market can reverse. Now we can see that now the sellers are coming from a support area. Here we can see so many rejection and also reversal candle, and again a candle that didn't respect this level, and also this candle broke that level. Okay, which means that buyers are strong now, they are not much weak now. Okay, so still there is a gap to the actual resistance area, so the market will definitely try to fill that gap, because these momentum that I am seeing from a support area, that's why. So if you are seeing a momentum starting from a support area, that will break at least few levels, and again that will go up like this. Okay, the same thing happened here, it didn't respect this level, and again a strong candle. This can't be considered like a weak candle, because after the, just wait. So here there is a breakout, right? Here there is a breakout. So I didn't find enough rejection in this candle. The sellers unable to push the market down. So the buyers are chance to enter at least for 1 minute. Okay, so that's the reason why I placed here a call option, because still there is a gap to the actual resistance area, or the nearest resistance area, or the nearest seller's entry point. Okay, so here we can just wait. So if this candle closed like this, then here we can't go with buyers, because it already reached the resistance or the seller's area. So but here the market only reached here, still there is a gap to the resistance. So at least for 1 minute the market may chance to enter. Okay, so that's the reason why I placed here a call option, and that was also a winning trade. So we can discuss the next. So after explaining this, it's better to stop this video, because otherwise the length of the video will be very high. So now we can discuss or learn this trade, that why I placed here a call option, and previously I placed here a call option, and it was a loss. Okay, now I'll tell you the reason of this trade. Actually this one is a new trading method, and I will update that within 1 or 2 days with my students. So after a downtrend, after a downtrend we can see that the buyers entered from this level, right, and they tried to push the market upside, but they are failed. Again the sellers come down and they broke the buyer's level, okay, which means that there is a breakout here, happen here. After a seller's momentum, the buyers try to push the market upside, but they fail, and again the sellers break the entry point of the buyers. Okay, after that, just look, again the buyers try to cross the level, here it is our breakout level, the buyers cross the breakout level. Okay, so here the same thing happened, it is the breakout level, and this buyers candle try to break that level. So which means that 90% of the time that will act like a fake out or fake breakout. Okay, so here it is the level, and the sellers broke that level. Suddenly the buyers broke that level, and they come back inside of this level. Okay, which means that might be act like a fake breakout only. Okay, and here I told you previously I lost this trade. I tell you the reason. Most of the time this candle will be a green candle. Here the sellers entered only because of this level. Here there are some sellers are active at this area. Here clearly we can see that when it hit this level, it rejected and finally closed as a red candle. Otherwise, in the left side, for example, if the sellers entered from this level like this, and now the market only reached here, right? So definitely the next one should be a direct green entry, direct bias entry. But here it's because of this level. After hitting this level, it turned and reversed and closed as a red candle. Otherwise, that should be a green candle only. So here, the next one. So I treated this one only one error candle, and not a reversal. I know that because of this level, it may chance to happen. It's only 20% of the time this will happen. Okay, if you're finding this kind of level, then also 20% of the time the sellers enter like this. So if you are not ready to take the risk, just do one thing. If you find the closing point and if the seller's level is very close like this, okay, I mean after fake out, okay, just wait, one more thing that is also very important. So after this breakout, and if the reverse a candle, that should be an engulfing, that should be more good, that will give you more clarity to go with buyers. Okay, and if you are seeing level like this and which is very close to the closing point of this green candle, then you just wait for one error, one retracement like this, and you can directly place a call option in the second candle. Okay, here if you have fear, just avoid, just ignore it. Okay, so I expect this is clear. I will prepare a video based on these concepts clearly with my students. Don't worry, after watching one time that should be clear. Okay, that's my guarantee, because I will prepare that step by step with more clarity. Okay, and within 2 days, maximum within 2 days, I will share with my students about this trading concept, and this one is very common. Okay, this concept is very common, and you will get loads of opportunities near to the SNR level. You can apply the same thing in the resistance also. That will work, and that will give more accuracy. Okay, so I expect this is clear. It's nothing. We want a seller's momentum, and first we want bullish entry, and the sellers need to again break this level, and after that again the buyers should come inside of that level, and that should be an engulfing candle. Okay, so here we can place a call option, and here only one error, it's because of this level, and otherwise this one should be directly a green candle. So I identified that it's only a one error candle, so confidently I again placed the call option, and this was a winning trade. So that's it. So I'm going to stop this video. If you have any doubts, you can message me. I will make it clear. And also, if you want to register for the signal, okay, from Monday maybe we will start the signals, and if you want high accurate binary option signal, then also you can contact. And also, if anyone want to learn the candlestick psychology, okay, and if you want to, or if you are looking for a guaranteed success course, then also you can contact. The contact details from the description of the video, and also you can join our Telegram channel. It updated the feedback and also the result of our course joiners, our students, and also the ebook buyers. Okay, so that's it. So I'm going to stop this video.